The P0303 code signals a misfire in your engine's cylinder number 3. A misfire happens when the air-fuel mixture in that cylinder doesn't burn correctly. This leads to rough idling, reduced power, and increased emissions. Your car's computer, the ECM, detects this by monitoring the crankshaft and oxygen sensors for irregularities. A P0303 code triggers when the ECM registers misfires in cylinder 3. Modern vehicles use enhanced ECMs that log misfire data in real time. It is important to note that the P0303 is a symptom and not a root cause, meaning this is one step in finding the issue. Start by checking the basics. Inspect the spark plug and wire for cylinder 3 for wear or damage. Use a multimeter to test the ignition coil. If those look good, consider a compression test to rule out mechanical issues, aiming for 120 to 150 psi. Also, check for vacuum leaks with a smoke test. Common culprits include faulty spark plugs, ignition coils in 40% of cases, clogged fuel injectors in 25%, and vacuum leaks in 15%. Costs range from $50 to $200 for basic parts to $500 plus for more complex repairs. Clear the code and test drive to confirm the fix.